Brandon here again from SolarCAM. Today we're going to go over changing out an Enphase microinverter. So what you should get in the mail is a disconnect tool and a map that shows you exactly where the bad inverter is at. First steps you're going to want to do is you're going to want to shut down your system so we're not working on this hot. Secondly, you will determine where that location is from the map I sent you of the bad inverter. You'll be able to determine where it's at by following the serial number. I go off the last four, and that's how it's going to be identified. You'll see that it's bad. You also will see on the side of the inverter there's a dome that flashes green or red or orange in some cases. The one that you're going to replace is probably flashing red. So after the system's powered down, you're going to take your disconnect tool and you're going to slide it right into here, into these grooves, and that pops out the trunk line. You'll do the same thing for the DC leads that go out to the solar panels themselves. Next, you would just take your 1/2-inch socket. I like to use it on a drill or an impact. Place it on there, loosen it up. This will slide out towards the connectors, pop out, and as far as replacement goes, it's plug and play. You'll put the new one back in there, lock it down, plug trunk line back in, and your DC leads. Normally you'll come with a new DC connector, almost always actually, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. And it's the same deal. And there's a groove in here as well, so these line up and you should not be able to mess that up. Thanks.